Welcome to Pricefy. In this video, you'll learn how dynamic pricing works, how to manage your repricing rules, and how to build one step by step. Repricing rules live in the repricing section of your dashboard. Open Repricing Rules to see them. Each rule is a card showing its on-off toggle, the products and competitors it covers, its last run, and its method, with a Show Preview button to review its results. The Rules Actions menu lets you run a preview, reprice now, view its history, duplicate, edit, or delete it. If you select several rules, a bulk bar appears, and so you can preview, reprice, or delete them all together. To create a rule, click Add New Rule. This opens a 5-step editor. In General Settings, name your rule and choose how it runs. Manual suggests new prices that you apply with a click. Automatic updates prices for you every day. This needs a business plan. You can also export each run's results by email or as a web file in CSV, Excel, XML, or JSON. Then click Next. Step 2. Choose the products the rule applies to. Pick them by hand from your catalog, build simple filters by brand, tag, or status. Or use the query builder for advanced conditions. The Include or Exclude switch flips what your selection means. Leave everything selected to cover your whole catalog. Step 3. Pick the competitors to compare against. Tick them one by one or keep them all selected, with the same include or exclude logic. Step 4 is the heart of the rule, the calculation. Set the new price as an amount or a percentage, below, above, or equal to your cheapest or highest competitor. A worked example shows exactly what will happen. Price adjustments add optional refinements. Fine-tune the calculated price, set rounding rules, like always ending in 99, or adjust the compare it price. Step 5 sets the conditions. Run the rule only when the competitor is in stock, out of stock, or in any status. Switch on the stop condition to halt repricing when the new price crosses a limit. For example, dropping below your cost. You can also skip products already in the right position. Choose what happens when a competitor's price can't be read, and resolve conflicts with existing discounts. Click Save and your new rule appears in the list ready to run. Before applying any prices, always run a preview first. Check out our repricing preview guide to learn how. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@pricefy.io.